Here is the case of diarrhea, that when it can be that some dehydration is occurring and when it is a severe case of diarrhea. So we should know it by symptoms. The symptoms are mentioned there. Like in this case of some dehydration, what is going to happen? Restlessness. Restlessness means the person will feel irritated and they will feel extreme that आप उलझन होगी उसको, that restlessness feeling will occur. The second thing is here sunken eyes, because you can see here in the pic this kid, I think it's yeah, you can see its eyes are just sunken. Sunken means it has just gone inside the depression. In certain people it occurs due to certain genetic reason or what, but in this kid it should be healthy. Like here healthy kid is made here, normal kid. But in this case you can see how to see these eyes are gone in depression. That under the sunken eyes are there. Then the next thing is here, because the loss of nutrient and the loss of water is occurring, so the patient is going to, or the child is going to drink water frequently, usko प्यास लगेगी, the lips will become dry. All these symptoms would be there. Then next thing is there, skin pinch goes back slowly. This thing you have to just keep in mind. What does it mean skin pinch goes back slowly? Suppose if I'm just showing you my hand, I have pinched my skin. Pinch. Now what happened? Can you see any depression in my hand? As I guess you can't see. If I'm just pinching in my hand, pinching means just squeezing the hand, you can't see any depression. But what will happen if the person is dehydrated? In that case, if you will pinch their skin, it will go back slowly. This thing is the symptom of diarrhea. I will show it through image also in child how we can see that. Now, if it is a severe case of dehydration, that means the extreme loss of nutrient has occurred from the body of kid. In that case, lethargy and unconsciousness. All of you have to just maintain one thing, that in mind, that fluids and electrolyte play a vital role in making you active. Suppose if someone feels lethargic, inactive, so in that case, it could be the reason of dehydration, like we can see here. Like you all have just seen that in prayer, many kids when they used to do the prayer, at that time they feel unconsciousness and they fell. That was not a severe case, but in that case what happened? Due to the loss of the drink, that liquid in their body and electrolytes in their body, they start fainting in high temperature. So our body needs proper fluid for its proper functioning. Next thing is here again sunken eyes. Now in this case, if it is severe dehydration, now they are unable to drink the water. If it is normal, it was that you can say some dehydration, in that time they are eager to drink the water. But in that case, body will not accept the water that much easily. They will not be able to drink. Here we are talking about children, kids. Next thing is here, skin pinch goes back very slowly. Here I have discussed you what is skin pinch. So in this case it was slowly, but in this case it is very slowly. So let us see what is the diagram of skin pinch is mentioned in our book. Here it is the image of a child. What has happened? Doctor or the expert is just pinching on the skin of this child. Now you can see depression on the skin of this child. This depression, it is showing you depression here. This depression is just representing here that skin pinch goes back very slowly, and it is one of the major symptom of that dehydration. If it is normal dehydration, or you can some dehydration, it will go back slowly. But if it is severe, then it will go back very slowly. This is the skin pinch showing in this diagram in your book. Here we can see what is ORT. ORT we have just discussed right now. Oral rehydration therapy. In this case, ORS solution is given. What is the full form of ORS solution? Oral rehydration salt. That means salts are added to rehydrate the body through oral pathway, that means through mouth. When we are just following this thing, at that time which solutions are made? Solutions are made with sugar and salt. You have seen when we just come from any of the warm area or outside, from outside, our mother used to give us the sugar and salt solution. Sometimes lemon is also squeezed in that. So that sugar and salt solution is representing here ORS. It is just written there. It is food. It can be food based solutions also. You can give that extract of something, some food like dal ka pani, we say that. Home fluids without insisting on specified amounts of glucose and salt. You can give homemade fluids. Their amount of glucose and salt is not that much specified. But if you are making that glucose or ORS solution here, ORS solution, so its amount is just balanced there. What is that much amount? It is mentioned there that first of all it rehydrates 95 to 97% that water requirement of the body, water and electrolyte requirement. Then the second is mentioned here that how much the sodium, you know that sodium NaCl जो सब नमक यूज करते हैं उसमें सोडियम होता है. What should be the amount of sodium? It should be 75 millimolar, while that of the glucose should also be 75 millimolar, and total osmolarity should be 245 millimolar per liter. I think this quantity is known well by science students, and that my other student also, they must be familiar with this molarity. They have studied that. So that is the thing which we have to just follow while just doing the ORT treatment to the patient who is having this problem of dehydration or diarrhea. Here is the amount of that ORS solution which can be given to the people of different age group. Like if the child is less than 6 month old, छोटा सा बच्चा है, how much amount of that ORS solution can be given to that child? You can see here it's a quarter glass or cup. What is quarter glass? Suppose it's a 1 glass. You will divide the glass into 4 parts. So this is the 4th part which you have to give to this child which is under less than 6 months. The next thing is 7 months to less than 2 years. 2 साल से कम है, 7 months से ज़्यादा है. In that case, we can give from quarter to half glass. That means quarter to half glass, half of the glass, or 1 cup of the ORS solution. Then if it is exceeding that age of 2 to 10 years, in that case the amount should be half to 1 glass, or it is mentioned there 1 cup, but amount is mentioned there here 50 ml, 50 to 100 ml, 100 to 200 ml, that much it has to be maintained. Then older children and adults, like we are, or older, that we can say older children who are more than 10 years, so they can take that requirement ORS solution as much their body required, as much they need. So this is the, you can see ORS guidelines for the replacement of ongoing losses to maintain hydration in the body. One more thing is mentioned here. The cup which is mentioned here is the large tea cup. Here are the fluids which we can prepare at our home as ORT, or you can say as ORS solution. So what are these things? Let us see one by one. First of all, it is mentioned that is the homemade. We can make the fluids at our home. What are these things? Like sugar and salt solution, we have taken water, we have added sugar, we have added salt, and then we have given to the person who required it. And the second thing is food based solution. Food based solution means from food you are extracting the fluid and the electrolytes. Like rice water with salts. You are cooking the rice in open vessel, and you have taken out its water. After the rice has got cooked, the boiling rice, then you have just added salt in that, and then you are giving that to the patient. Then the water requirement is fulfilled, and the nutrients which are extracted from the rice in that liquid, that are taken, and sodium balance through salt. The next thing is dal or dal ka water. I just say that only to you. That means those dal which are smooth to digest or easy to digest, these dal or its water can be given. So the next thing is buttermilk or lassi with salt. We can even offer buttermilk with lassi or salt. That will also be okay for the body. And soup here can be given with the salt. The next thing is here composition per liter. Suppose if you are preparing it, so how much you have to just prepare. Like sugar or salt, its ratio should be 40 gram sugar, then 4 gram salt. It doesn't mean we have added 2 spoonful of sugar, then we have added 2 full spoon of salt also. You know, a pinch of salt is enough for that. So that is the ratio here, 40 gram and 4 gram. For here that rice water which we have just seen, that approximately 50 gram that liquid. राइस कितना आप लोगे 50 ग्राम, फिर उससे जो भी लिक्विड एक्सट्रैक्ट होगा दैट यू कैन टेक. Precise measurement not required. Here you need not to just measure it precise, but approximately 50 gram rice you are boiling, you are just taking out the extract. The same is with the pulse here, and but the salt which you have to use here, its ratio should be 4 gram. It should not be exceeding, otherwise that salt imbalance will occur in the body. The next thing is here appropriate use. What it is going to just help. So both the all the cases are going to help in prevention of dehydration, which is mentioned there. So it is the last topic of your this chapter, dehydration and the diarrhea, which we have studied. So it is generally said prevention is better than cure. So being a student of this subject, food nutrition and dietetics, being a good citizen, you need to just follow these steps, and you need to just aware others also regarding it.